Hello guys, and welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to tell you guys that how you can install WooCommerce and set it up on your WordPress website to make it an e-commerce website. So with before going ahead, please it's a request to you guys that please like the video if you like it, and please subscribe to the channel and click on the black bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So moving ahead, first of all, I'm just like assuming it. If you like to if you are wanting to install WooCommerce on your website that is being hosted on some kind of like a hosting company, you should go over there and install WordPress first of all. And basically for that purpose I'm using a software named local by Flywheel, and that helps us basically to uh, set up websites, WordPress websites specifically on a local computer to like play with them and that kind of stuff. So I'm just doing it for the sake of an example. I'm just basically, you just need to click on that admin kind of thing. You need to open this dashboard on your website specifically, and give them the required details, username and password, to log into the dashboard. And over there you will have to, now we are going to install WooCommerce, and for that you will have to hover over plugins, click on add new, and from there you will have to search for WooCommerce. The very first result, it will show that is a WooCommerce plugin that we need. Basically I just installed it previously because it takes too much time to install the plugin. It is a kind of heavy plugin. So based upon your speed of your internet connection, it might take around couple of minutes, or maybe 3 to 4 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes at most, and you will install it will get installed on your website. And once it is installed, please click on activate button. Sorry, once it is activated, it will show us a kind of wizard kind of thing that will basically that will have kind of like 4 to 5 steps to go through the common setting or basic default settings to set it up for the first time. Whenever you will install it for the first time on your any kind of like WordPress installation, it will show us this kind of wizard. So this basically is pretty straightforward kind of thing. Basically here you will write your address, the address of your business, wherever you are like selling the products. I will just write a random kind of thing. And second one is optional. If your address is not going in on that line, you can just write further address in the second line, and from here you will have to select your country, wherever you are selling the things, and the state and the state as well, and write your city over here, and write the postal code over here, and there you will have to write in your email address that you are going to handle the business, that you are going to receive emails and send emails and that kind of stuff. So I'm just going with this one. Basically I'm just trying to explain this. So build a better WooCommerce. No, we don't need that. Go with no thanks. And from this in the second wizard option, you will have to select the category you are going to sell products of. So for the sake of example, I'm going to select this electronic components, but you will select the option that most suits the products, the kind of products that you are going to sell on your WordPress website. So select it and click on continue, and there we have a couple of not couple of, basically a few kind of products. So basically these are type of products, the type of product that you are willing to sell on your WordPress website. Basically if you are going to sell like components, kind of physical components, or maybe like shirts or that kind of stuff, anything that is physical, that is, you need to check on this thing, physical products. And if you're going to sell books or maybe PDF files to your customers, you will need to select on this one, download. If you're going to sell the product, sell the subscription to your customer, you will have to select this one, and so on and so forth. But all these options below, that will cost you some charges, extra charges. on the top of WooCommerce. Basically it will install add-ons for WooCommerce to make it more functional, like for them, let's say if you're going to sell out subscription, it may have separate kind of, like it will install a separate kind of add-on, WooCommerce add-on, that is, I guess, subscription kind of that's name is a subscription kind of some kind of thing, and that will allow you to sell subscription on your WordPress website. So just making this point very clear, I'm just going to select physical products and click on continue, and there you will have to tell them some more details, like how many products do you plan to display. I'm just, for the sake of instance, I'm going to select 1 of 10. You will have to select that suits you the best, and if you're currently selling elsewhere, no, I'm not selling as anything elsewhere. If you're setting it up for a client, you can check that up, but for me it's like no need to do that. Over here it will show you in the fourth step, it will show you like kind of other plugins that are basically free, and you can install them to have that specific other kind of things, settings on your website. Basically Jetpack is basically to enhance the speed and security of your website and make that WooCommerce work more smoothly, I guess. And the Mail Poet is more kind of like a email marketing kind of thing, and Google listing and ads will drive sales and that kind of stuff. Basically it is kind of marketing kind of stuff. So if you want them to install, you can just place that check over there, and if you don't want to install, you can just deselect them, and you can just click on continue. From there from the last step, you need to select the theme that you want to install on your WordPress website. If you're not very sure about that, you can just skip this part and go with the theme that has already been installed on your WordPress website. But if you're willing to basically, there can be couple of ways by which you are going to set up your WordPress, your theming of your website. Let's say if you have purchased any kind of theme or template from Theme Forest, you can install it from, you can install it that as well, and you can install Elementor theme, or you can install Elementor page builder or Visual Composer or that kind of stuff to make your website kind of like attractive to the customers and that kind of stuff. So just for the sake of instance, I'm going with the theme that has already been activated on my website, and clicking on continue. And there we have successfully installed WooCommerce, and like what WooCommerce will do, it will just create couple of pages like shop page and cart page and checkout page and order page for your website automatically. And there from this clicking on this option, you can always add product, set up payment gateways, maybe PayPal or maybe credit card kind of thing, and set up taxes, set up shipping zones and that kind of stuff. Let me, for the just for the sake of instance, let me just show you. These will be the pages that WooCommerce will create automatically for your website: cart page, checkout page, my account page, and this refund and return policy and shop page. These are the page that WordPress will create automatically on your website. So for this video, this will be enough. If you want me to continue this thing, and if you want that some kind of specified requirement, if you have if you want me to create a video on some kind of specific kind of thing on WooCommerce maybe or WordPress, you can always comment down below, and please click on subscribe to the channel, and like the video if you found it informative, and take care of yourself. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.